Welcome to Kitchenesia, your cozy spot for all things kitchen inspiration and design. We dive into eclectic vintage styles, colorful accents, and practical tips to make your kitchen uniquely yours. Get ready to transform your cooking space into a vibrant, welcoming heart of your home every week. Picture stepping into a kitchen where pastel mint meets terracotta warmth, where mismatched vintage tiles tell stories in coral and turquoise. Copper lights cast gentle glows over depression glass collections, while lace curtains dance with afternoon breezes. Persian rugs layer the floor in jewel tones, creating pure eclectic magic. This kitchen feels like discovering your grandmother's secret recipe book. Sage cabinets revealing teacup treasures, cherry red drawers hiding culinary adventures. That freestanding Peninsula stands proud with Victorian carved legs, while lavender subway tiles shimmer beside cream. Crystal chandeliers sparkle above checkerboard floors, making every moment feel theatrical. Imagine a space where powder blue embraces deep plum, where reclaimed wood carries decades of memories. Portuguese tiles burst with hand-painted coral, saffron, and azure stories. Vintage Pyrex gleams rainbow bright on weathered shelves, while fringed lampshades in rose and teal add unexpected whimsy. Every corner whispers enchantment. Robin's egg blue walls cradle this culinary sanctuary, where vanilla cream meets burnt orange in perfect harmony. Victorian floor tiles dance geometric patterns beneath your feet, while mint subway tiles frame the cooking space. Colored glass pendants glow amber and green, transforming ordinary meal prep into extraordinary experiences filled with vintage soul. Welcome to where pistachio dreams meet magenta boldness, where every surface celebrates color without apology. Hand-selected Victorian tiles create patchwork poetry in peacock blue and buttercream. Salvaged wood shelves showcase red and turquoise enamelware like precious gallery pieces. Kilim rugs anchor the space in crimson and saffron warmth, inviting lingering conversations. Pale yellow upper cabinets pair beautifully with teal blue lowers, creating visual harmony that soothes and energizes simultaneously. Moroccan cement tiles pattern the floor in rust, indigo, and cream geometry. Flow blue china catches light on open shelves, while botanical wallpaper whispers faded rose and sage stories, making every cooking session feel artistic. Soft coral cabinets embrace forest green companions in this whimsical haven, where zinc countertops gleam with industrial charm. Talavera tiles explode in vibrant multicolor celebrations across backsplash walls. Majolica and Fiesta ware create rainbow displays that spark joy daily. Chintz curtains filter golden light, wrapping the entire space in perpetual warmth and welcome. Butter yellow and peacock blue dance together here, creating unexpected harmony that delights the eye. Hexagonal burgundy tiles anchor marble elegance, while Zellage tiles shimmer turquoise, coral, and saffron. Vintage Pyrex collections tell colorful stories, and crystal chandeliers cast rainbow prisms. Every element layers beautifully, creating spaces that inspire culinary creativity daily. Sage green meets raspberry pink in delightful contrast, proving opposites truly attract. Navy cement tiles ground the space while pale aqua subway tiles provide refreshing brightness. Depression glass catches window light in spectacular color displays. Brass pot racks showcase copper treasures overhead, while geraniums add living pops of color throughout this enchanting cooking sanctuary. Powder blue chicken wire cabinets reveal hidden treasures, while burnt sienna warmth grounds the entire space. Arts and crafts tiles showcase peacock and copper richness that ages beautifully. Vintage pottery collections create visual interest on every shelf. Botanical wallpaper adds faded rose romance, transforming cooking into creative expression that nourishes both body and soul. Cream beadboard pairs perfectly with mustard yellow distress, creating cheerful vintage authenticity throughout. Checkerboard terracotta floors add geometric interest underfoot, while mint subway tiles refresh the cooking zone. Flow blue china displays showcase collectors' passion. Mercury glass pendants cast warm, inviting glows, making this kitchen the heart where memories are created and cherished daily. Seafoam green upper cabinets whisper coastal serenity, while rich plum lowers add dramatic flair below. Hand-painted majolica tiles bloom with vibrant botanical artistry across backsplash surfaces. Crystal chandelier prisms scatter rainbow light throughout the space. Chintz wallpaper adds faded floral charm, creating layers of visual interest that make this kitchen feel like stepping into a beloved storybook. Robin's egg blue meets coral pink in joyful celebration, proving color fearlessly transforms ordinary spaces. Vintage cement tiles create teal, saffron, and cream geometric artistry underfoot. Carnival glass and majolica collections catch every ray of natural light beautifully. Milk glass pendants with hand-painted florals add delicate touches, making this kitchen genuinely magical every single day. Pale lavender cabinets create dreamy upper storage, while hunter green anchors the space with earthy confidence. Delft tiles showcase traditional blue and white beauty, accented with unexpected coral and gold surprises. Rainbow Pyrex collections line shelves like edible treasures. Persian rugs layer jewel-tone richness underfoot, transforming this kitchen into a collector's paradise where cooking becomes pure creative joy. Thanks for joining Kitchenesia today. We hope you loved exploring eclectic vintage kitchens with colorful charm. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more creative kitchen ideas, and share your thoughts below. We love hearing from you. Let's keep creating warm and inspiring kitchens together. See you next time.